In this video, I'm going to show you how you can test your microphone to see if it is working on Windows 11. So first, plug in your microphone. Once it's plugged in, go to the Start menu and then go to Settings. If it's not here, just search for Settings, then click Enter. Once you're in the Settings window, go to System on the left and then click on Sound. Here you should be able to see your headphones or your output. We want to scroll down and go to the input section because a microphone is an input device. Then you should be able to see the microphone here. Make sure you've got it selected, and if you're speaking and the volume's going up on the microphone, that is a good sign. So we can go ahead and click on the microphone on this arrow here, and then making sure that you've got it selected, you can then go ahead and go to the microphone test and then click Start Test. Then you need to speak normally, and then what you can do is stop the test. You can either stop it or it should automatically stop, and then you can go to your recorded sample, which will appear at the bottom. So let's play it. Then you need to speak normally, and then what you can do, and that is all you need to do. There are some audio enhancements here, which you may choose to turn on or off, but that's how I would do it.